Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. We spend so much of our life sleeping, and it's really important to have a comfortable, supportive pillow. This is the 14 by 14 by 5 pillow from TOPPURE, and this is their neck pillow. So as you can see here, it has a square design. I have a lot of neck issues, and so when I found this pillow from TOPPURE, I was really excited to try it. And it is amazing. It's great for at-home sleeping, but this can also be used for travel. It can fit into your suitcase, your bag, and I like also that it can be used for different areas of your body. This is great for your legs, your back, if you're on the couch, if you need to use it in bed, maybe you're pregnant, and having a smaller pillow that can go in between your legs is great. What I really like about this pillow is the amount of support it gives. This is their medium firmness, and this is a high density memory foam. It's very breathable. It comes with this cover so you can just take this off and wash it. It is a silk cover, which is also great for your hair, ladies. So I would highly recommend this. My sleep has improved and I don't have to go to the chiropractor as often. And so when I'm sleeping at night, I find that this gives me plenty of support for my neck and my shoulders. I was hesitant when it came to having a square pillow, thinking this would be too much, but it's actually perfect. And so if you're looking for something that's going to ease any tension and promote better sleep, then I would highly recommend checking this one out. The company has been great. Their customer service is wonderful, but that's just my point of view.